From the entire team at Sturm, we are thrilled and humbled to receive the honor of being voted the best HVAC company in Spokane. It's exciting to see our industry-certified expertise in air quality management and indoor climate control recognized by the community as the best. Our promise is to continue providing the best service and products in heating and air conditioning. So contact us at any time, and one of our highly trained experts will gladly assist you. Sturm Heating, since 1945, and we're just getting started.